Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the Anglin story. Congratulations to the incredible team at Anglin's Foundation and Masonry Repairs in Marietta, Georgia, just outside Atlanta, for winning back-to-back national recognition from Best of the Best Television each year since 2014, including our top national honors for customer satisfaction in both 2016 and 2017. Anglin's is one of the top foundation repair companies in America. I live outside of Atlanta and I see lots of advertising for other foundation companies on TV. I hear their ads on the radio. But frankly, I've done the homework and I know that only one of them doesn't need to advertise. The word of mouth in Metro Atlanta is so strong about Anglin's that they've been very busy for decades. We did not tell anyone at Anglin's that we were doing this video. We didn't tell anyone at Anglin's that we were profiling the company in 2014 either. We only did so after doing our research because the reviews and testimonials about Anglin's are among the best we've ever seen. In 2017, when we reviewed Anglin's for the second time, they still had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau with 0 complaints and had for years. That's amazing in this industry. Quite simply, if you have a foundation or masonry need, in this part of the country, the first and only place to call, according to our research, is Anglin's. This business has a legendary reputation that began when Olin Anglin started his little family business with the sweat equity of his 7 sons back in 1930. Think about that, 1930. Olin's son, John Anglin, grew up in the business and has run it for decades with a pretty simple rule. Fix it for life the first time. We love that. Anglin's does a lot of things really well. They have all the new trucks and high-tech equipment and training needed. That, coupled with so much experience, allows the Anglin's team to handle any challenge. Foundation, wall, chimney repairs, all kinds of brick, slab, and seawall work, even window and garage door repairs. Anglin's is a leader in polyurethane concrete raising, for example. This is a real cost-effective alternative to replacing your concrete. So many people need this. ProLift concrete raising and leveling provides home and business owners with long-term solutions that are quick and clean. Through injecting lightweight polyurethane foam into dime-sized holes or ports in the concrete, the structure is raised and leveled through the flow of expansion of high-density polymers within this foam. It's really amazing. After Anglin's work is completed, the holes are patched and the site is available for immediate use. No jackhammers needed anymore. We love it. Unlike most in the foundation industry in this part of the country, Anglin's foundation, if you'll pardon the pun, is old-world craftsmanship. For example, if you have a problem at your home or office that deals with concrete or brick, Anglin's is known in the industry for really fantastic masonry repair work. So many people who have cracking walls or need chimney restorations call Anglin's first, and they have for over 80 years. When we reviewed Anglin's for a second time in 2017, they had so many more customer reviews and testimonials on many credible websites than they did in 2014 when we first found Anglin's. Customers simply rave about the workmanship, the attention to detail, and most importantly to us, the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at Anglin's every single day. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. John Anglin and his team have given back to many people and organizations in Metro Atlanta over the years. They are good people. We love that too. Congratulations again to everyone at Anglin's, a 4th-generation family business in which the lessons of the father were learned well. Anglin's, gold standard quality work, reasonable prices, done by top quality people. Congratulations to the entire team at Anglin's for doing business only one way every single day for so many decades, the right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.